guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with another Pinterest video where I take 4 outfits from my Pinterest board that I was inspired to recreate using my own wardrobe. Alright, y'all know the drill. These are my favorite videos because sometimes I get myself in a little fashion rut and sometimes we all just need a little inspiration, and Pinterest is like my go-to place for that because it's like outfits that have been maybe posted years ago that are still cool, or like, I don't know, it just shows that like you don't have to constantly be buying new stuff all the time. But I think it's super fun to kind of just like see something and recreate it. I don't know, it's my idea of a good time. That sounded really dorky. Anywho, I will have all the outfits and details and all of that in the description box down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button if you're curious to pick up anything for your wardrobe. But as always, I want you to use these videos as inspiration to go over to Pinterest and browse yourself and find outfits that really resonate with your style in your wardrobe, and also use it as a tool to fill in blanks within your wardrobe. I feel like I say that all the time, but let's do it. I got lots to chit chat about today as well, so if you like chit chatty videos, grab a snack, let's do it. Let's get into look number 1. I think this is so cute. I have a lot of white on white in this video. Yeah, love this. Love the necklace, just picked up a necklace like this. Love the bag with the little scarf. Love the jelly shoes. Love everything about this. So let's do it, okay? It's gonna be a good one. It's all about the accessories for this outfit. And this outfit, the base is simple, right? It's just about the fun accessories that make it kind of trendy and modern. But let's jump in. So, first things first. Oh my gosh. I forget, like, to hang this up in a way that looks aesthetic but doesn't pull very well. Okay, my little Quince jeans. I have worn these so many times. Since I got them, they're so cute. I'm normally not a stretchy jean girl, but these ones are just, these ones do it for me. Hers are slightly cropped. I'm just gonna kind of leave mine for now, but we'll see. I might like stitch them up, but we'll see. So just a pair of like white jeans is all she has on the base, and then a little white tee. So let's pop that on. Now I'm going to get my hair cut by a new lady tomorrow. I'm so nervous. Haircut, color, I just need like a little refresh for the summer. I feel like my hair is lightened a lot, but the roots are very much rooting, so we need to deal with that. Okay, she has a little tuck kind of situation. I think her tee is a little more oversized, but this is what we're working with today. Next up, she has this necklace on. Hers goes really long, so I'm gonna untie mine. Sometimes I tie it up to kind of fit at a different height, but hers goes really low. I love that jewelry is coming back like this. I just think it's so like modern and 70s kind of, I don't know, really cool. So this is definitely the star of the show. And then I'm pretty sure she has like the Row jelly flats, but y'all know I love my Old Navy ones. I think these shoes, or this like pant hits fine for the shoes. Like I don't think I need to cuff them. But if I did, I would just cuff them up and do like a little stitch gun. You guys have seen me use my stitch gun a million times. But anyways, but finish this outfit off with some final accessories. So a big pair of sunnies. Again, with like the 70s vibes with this. And then she has a black bag, I think, but she has a little scarf tied around it, and I thought that looked really cute. So I used this little bandana scarf. I've had this since I was in college, I want to say, from Abercrombie. It's just really cute, and I've kept it and used it for years. So look number 1. Definitely a very trendy sort of outfit, but it's really classic and cool at the same time. So thanks for the inspiration, my lady. I think we killed it. Her, me, how'd we do? Love it. I do want more of a tote like hers, so I think shoes and totes is what I'm really gonna focus on for this fall season. But anyways, look number 1. Let's move on to look number 2. Okay, look number 2 is like a total classic me type of outfit. I mean, most of them are, because honestly, okay, I get comments about people wanting me to do like a different style, but like, it's hard because it's just like what I like, and I like what I like, and I have what I like. So I feel like it's gonna be really hard to kind of like burst out of that like bubble, but I will try. I'm perusing, trying to find different outfits of stuff that I still like actually have, because I don't want to like go and buy things just for the sake of a video. You know what I mean? I know you guys know what I mean. Okay. Next, let's put on our a Goldie little jeans. She has like a distressed look at the bottom of hers. I think it's like an unfinished hem. I don't quite have that, but these are like as similar as I could get. I would like to actually cut the hem off of these, but we'll see. So let's pop these on. These are the 90s pinch waist, some of my favorite jeans ever. These are just great jeans. I'm actually so excited to start wearing jeans again. I don't know, I'm ready. Like, I feel like as soon as the season hits, there's so much anticipation for like summer that I'm like, as soon as it hits, and it's been like 3 weeks, I'm like, okay, I'm done. I mean, I have been loving my tan. I feel like you can't really tell, but I'm pretty tan for myself normally in the summer without going on like a vacation. So I feel good about that, but because I've been loving and using our pool like crazy, but I'm also like ready for jeans. Jeans are my comfort zone, and I don't really wear them a ton in the summer because it's god-awful hot in Dallas, okay? Okay, next up I'm gonna put on this little like blousey type of thing from Quince. I think this top is so cute, and I've worn it, I think, twice, so let's put it together. Oh, my poplin top. Okay, also I just signed Darlo up for soccer this fall for once he starts school. I think it's on Saturdays, so I'm still thinking about doing like a during the week sort of activity. So I'm thinking either like jiu-jitsu, maybe basketball, I don't know. How much activity is too much activity? I'm also contemplating joining the PTA. Am I gonna lose my mind over that? Maybe. But this is my thought process. It's like, I feel like some people are crazy about stuff like that, and I feel like I'll be able to be the voice of reason. It's funny that I think I'm the voice of reason and I'm not actually crazy as well, but whatever, you know? Scott said I was the voice of reason. I think he either thinks very highly of me, didn't realize what he was saying, or thinks not highly of some other PTA moms. I don't know. Plus every single ponytail I ever bring upstairs. Why do I do this to myself? I'm gonna make believe that my hair is in a ponytail because I don't have a ponytail apparently. Imagine my hair is in a pony, okay? Because I literally don't know what I did with my pony. I know what I did. I left it downstairs. I kept it in my hair after I was filming and I left it downstairs. Anyway, okay, she has some cute little black sunnies on, and then she has a cute like rattan sort of bag, I think, or a woven bag or what else. But I like this pop of yellow. I think this is really cute. This is adorable. Okay, I also put on my little flats. She's got a silver pair of flats. She's cool. I'm going with my little metallic mesh flats, but I think I'm gonna challenge myself. Let me know if you'd like to see a video on this where like I actually, instead of crazy, get dressed in like workout clothes every day, I like actually put on an actual outfit. It's just like I feel very overstimulated. Like when I'm cleaning the house, I can't clean the house in this. What if I get something on my shirt? What if the makeup runs all over my collar? It's going to. What if like I just get overstimulated? Like I need just like a basic outfit. But I also feel like I need to get more comfortable doing everyday tasks and things like this. Not deep clean the house, but you can vacuum in this, girl. It's not gonna kill you. You know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna film like a 30 days of outfits type of video and kind of challenge myself once school starts up in August to kind of like get dressed every day. Whew. Well, during the weekday. You know what I mean? Anyways. I think we killed this outfit. I love this. This top is super cute. It comes in a blue as well, with the white is just perfection. Okay, let's move on to look number 3. Okay, look number 3. We're back again with my little poplin skirt. I love a poplin skirt for the summer. Too cute. She has some fun, like, necklace-y sort of layering pieces, so I'm going to get into that. But first, let's put on our little white poplin skirt. Oh my gosh, when we had friends over for 4th of July, Scott's cousin's girlfriend, I basically think they're husband and wife because they've been together for just like a little bit longer than, well, longer than Scott and I, consistently, because of, you know, I mean, we broke up, but whatever, never were, anyway. Nonetheless, they're like looking at our staircase and they're like, oh my God, imagine Arlo with his little prom date taking pictures. And I was like, ah, I can't. That's so crazy. But that is like the staircase that people like take prom pictures on. Nuts. Anyway, this is giving Little House on the Prairie. My like solution to every like very modest, very frumpy sort of outfit is a slick back and a pair of, I call them bitchin' ass sunglasses, like, or I call them the C word, but I know people don't feel that way. Anyway, it's like instantly elevates. Anyway, let's put on a white tank, little white tank, big old poplin skirt. I love this. Okay, she has, I think, a pair of like either lace-up sandals or something, but I think I'm gonna pair my Zara little flippies with them because they're cute and I think they'll look good with this outfit. Now, she, like I said, she has some big like statement sort of necklaces. I think I'm gonna layer two, potentially just the one, I don't know. I'm gonna go with a pearl one to start with. Because I think it's cute. Okay, then I'm thinking, I made this like charm necklace probably like 2 summers ago, 1 summer ago, I don't remember. I'm gonna add that in there too because it's just fun. Okay, like a fun little chunky. It's nice because it's such a basic, simple outfit, so it kind of adds a little bit of razzle dazzle to it, you know? And then she has a sweater over the shoulder. My girl. My girl. I could do without this, honestly. I liked it before. I like it either way. Anyway, okay, a little woven rattan bag. I think I'm actually gonna go with this one. I think this is what I pulled. And then sunnies. I love this bag so much. Okay. Cute. I love this. Adorable. Big fan. Big, big fan. Honestly, say we're going to a, words, Kelly. Get them out of you. Sorry, anyway, let's finish this outfit. Her, me, I think we nailed it. Okay. We're going to a, Rangers game this weekend and for a friend's birthday, and we're gonna like, you know, do the whole like Texas Live beforehand, like play, hang out. It's like gonna be a whole like late afternoon, evening situation, and it's super convenient because Scott's mom lives over next to the stadium, so he's gonna go hang out with Granny for the weekend. But anyways, I was thinking like even something like this, like a skirt with a little tank and the baseball cap would be really cute. Could be a vibe. But also I bought a jersey, so I need to figure out what I want to wear. Okay. I don't know why I just think this is like kind of cute. And kind of like unexpected for a baseball game, obviously, because most people don't wear a poplin skirt to a baseball game. But I'm not most people, we know that. Okay, so this is the last look. We're keeping on our little white tank. We're gonna go with our white overalls. You guys know I love some overalls. So let's take off our necklaces. Okay, the outfit I'm staying in for the rest of the day, which will be my like working, putting together handyman outfit because I am getting the bed for our guest bedroom today. So I'm gonna put that together, just like the frame. Hopefully, I think I can do it. I can do it. I'm a boss ass bee, okay? I can do it. Cute. Okay, now she has some like fun cuffs, which I normally always cuff the bottom of my overalls. I just think it looks cute. This would also be cute to a game. Adorable. I love a good overall. I love a good white on white outfit. And then last but not least, my clogs. Love. And then she has a big bag. So let's just stick with this one. Cute, cutie cute. I love this. Again, just so good. I love pairing these white overalls with white underneath. I just think it's a whole vibe. So cute, and I'm kind of in love with it. All right, that was it. That was look number 4. As always, I'd love to know what y'all's favorite outfit was. Honestly, I really loved them, every single one of them. They were all hits in my opinion. I love this one, obviously. I picked it last so I could wear it for the rest of the day. So hopefully I don't get overstimulated and put on workout clothes. But as always, I hope these videos inspired you to fall in love with your closet. If not, build a closet that you can be inspired and fall in love with. And use Pinterest as a really awesome tool to help you get inspiration. And inspiration, not replication. I love you guys so much. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.